to present here to guys class that simply focus on grade 8 mathematics living certificate examination in 2017 calendar. So our first question that simply it says that the pie chart shows that the sports that 120 students participate in basketball, soccer, tennis, and swimming. So in different parts of private games that can be participate different students. That means the number of students there are 120. That means in a total amount of the students that can participate within those different categories can be 120. So the question is says that how many students played a soccer? So such kind of activity or question can be given how we can solve these problems in mathematical and simple ways. So having in mind to solve this kind of problems, in general, yes, totally, this pie chart contains 100%. That means 100% is equals to the number of students in a total is 120. So, having this concept in mind, the first thing is this. So, related to this concept, there are S. S means this stands a tennis. So, tennis can be applied to students. How many number of students? But in kind of a person that we given is a 10%. So, to find the number of students that can apply this tennis is 10%. So we have to write this 10%. And to find the amount of students from 120 is how much students can be applied this tennis. So let us say this unknown value A. So simply by using crisscross multiplication, we can find the value of this A. That means in other words, the number of students that can be applied is a tenth. Let us start to crisscross. So 100% multiplied with A, it can be equals to 10% multiplied with 120. So to find simply the value of this A divided by 100, this is divided by 100%. This can be eliminated. A, which is equals to percent with percent is eliminated, 10 with 10, and this 10 will be 10. That's the left what remains. 1 multiplied with 12 number of students can be played with this tennis. And a second part is the first and the second to find the amount of basketball player students are. That means in this case S and R. So to solve this problem, or the amount of students that can be applied with this pie chart, that means a basketball players, having the concept here, when we say 100%, the number of students is 100. So the percent is given here 25%. So find the number of amount of students that can be applied basketball. So we must do a crisscross multiplication. 100 multiplied with B, which is equals to 25% multiplied with 120. So divided by simply with 100%, divided by with simply 100%. This 100% is eliminated, then it's left B, and this percent with percent cancels, 10 with 10, and simply eliminated by 2. By 2 it's left 5, by 2 it's left 6. And by 5 it's 1, by 5 it's 5. It remains 5 multiplied with 6 is the amount of students that can be applied with the basketball, which is 13 students out of 120 students. And the third to find a cube, that means swimming. The number of students is how many number of students can be swimming participated from out of the total number of 120 students. So we can use this a basic of 100% is a total amount is a total number of students is 120. So we can use it given 13%. Let us say this unknown value is C. So crisscross multiplication we can use 100 multiplied by C, which is equals to 30% times 120%. So it's simply divided by 100 divided by 100 to find the amount of students that can be swimming from the total amount of 120. Then percent to percent eliminate, 0 with 0 eliminate, and 0 also 0 eliminate is left. 3 multiplied with 12. So the amount of students that can be 36. 36 students can be participating to swimming, the total number of 120 students. And the last and the final, how many students that can be placed in a soccer? To find the best questions here for these questions are related to find this. Having this idea, that means 100% is equals to 120. Then the percent that can be participating with the soccer, 35% out of 100. So how many number of students can be played this soccer from the total number of 120? That's simply crisscross multiplication. 100% multiplied with D, which is equal to 35% multiplied with 120. Simply divided by 100%. 100%. This 100 with 100% is eliminated. D is left. Yeah, percent with percent eliminated. 0 with 0 eliminated. And by 2 it's 5. By 2 it's 6. And by 5. 1 by 5, 7. It's left 7 multiplied with 6, which equals to 42 number of students that can be placed out of 120 students soccer. So in general, the final result, the students that can be played with tennis were 12 students, and the number of students that can be played basketball, 30 students out of 120. And the students that can be played swimming is 36 students, and the last 42 students. The sum of this 42, 36, 30, and 12, it gives 120 students. The total number of students that can be played divided into different games that can be participated. This is all about today's.